We've been helping businesses deliver commercial advantage with data science for more than 16 years. Mango prides itself on helping build world-class internal capabilities, developing and upskilling teams, and helping them to unlock the potential of R, Python, and machine learning. With over 1,000 data scientists trained each year, we guide talented individuals through well-constructed learning and development paths from beginner to mastery levels. Our delivery is flexible, be it face-to-face at a client's premises, part of an internal data science community initiative on behalf of a client or institution, or at our own user groups and conferences. Our courses range from introductory level Python to advanced machine learning techniques, which can be prioritized according to a team's particular needs. All our courses are led by Mango's practicing data scientists and focus on adding value with practical and best practice applications.